So this is the Mirador, not sure if I'm pronouncing that correctly, but 10 foot by 12 foot outdoor pergola. The installation process was really easy, very straightforward, great directions. So essentially you're going to screw concrete anchors right into your concrete pad, making it super sturdy. It's not going anywhere. And we just used a hammer drill for that. So then there is a hand crank that opens the shade on top and then also closes it. So it's really nice if you're wanting some sun or if you're wanting shade. You have both options. It's made of galvanized steel, so it's super sturdy, really great quality, and it's also rust resistant. Overall, this is a really great pergola. Super happy with it. I think it is a great addition to any patio space if you don't really have a lot of shade. We also really appreciated the customer service. It was super quick if we had any questions, and just really great overall.